In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam Workshop. If you've ever wanted to add community-made content to your favorite PC games, this is the simplest way to do it. We'll focus on two things: opening the workshop for a game and subscribing to the mods you want. I'll keep it clear and friendly so you can follow along without pausing every 2 seconds. First, open Steam on your computer. Head straight to your library, which lists all your games. Now click on a game that supports the Steam Workshop. Not every title does, so if you don't see a workshop option for a particular game, choose another one that does. Once you're on that game's page inside your library, look for the Workshop button. It's typically on the right side or near the community sections. Click it, and you'll be taken to the game's Workshop hub. This page is the gateway to all the mods shared by the community for that specific game. You'll see featured items, popular uploads, and new submissions. Take a moment to explore. You can scroll through categories, sort by most subscribed or most recent, and read short descriptions to get a feel for what each mod does. If you have something specific in mind, use the search bar at the top to find it by name or keyword. Now for the key step, subscribing to mods. Browse through the workshop or search until you find a mod that catches your eye. Then click on it to open its page. Here, you'll usually find a detailed description, screenshots or videos, and notes from the creator about compatibility or required items. Skimming these details is worth it. It helps you avoid conflicts and understand exactly what you're getting. When you're ready, look for the subscribe button on that mod's page and click it. That's all you need to do. Steam handles the download and keeps the mod updated automatically whenever the creator makes changes. You don't have to manage files manually, and there's nothing extra to configure here in Steam. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same page and unsubscribe just as easily, and Steam will remove the content for you. That's the whole process. Open Steam, go to your library, pick a game that supports the workshop, click its workshop button, browse or search, choose a mod you like, and subscribe. Take your time exploring, check descriptions for any requirements, and enjoy expanding your game with high-quality community content. Thanks for watching, and have fun discovering your next favorite mod.